We are here at Fountain of Peace, Bethel Baby's home. This is the home, as you can see. It is a well-established home, and we are still in our objective of fighting against environmental change. We are here to fight deforestation, which is caused by cutting down trees in search of cooking fuels like wood. So we are going to change the society today by construction of improved energy saving solar aided kitchens. This is the firewood they are using at home. These are big chunks of firewood they are using at home. The home always uses this piece of firewood in only 1 week, in just one homestead. Here there's something like 6 homesteads. So we want to fight against this. This is their simple kitchen they are using. It is really a local kitchen, as you can see. This firewood is being wasted. These are trees. These are trees.
This is the school community kitchen. This kitchen feeds all the workers at the school and the children at the time when they are at school doing their studies. But as you can see, the kitchen is so smoky and it consumes a lot of wood fuel when cooking. We had to demolish the existing non-energy saving stoves from the organization kitchens and replace them with energy saving solar aided cook stoves. We also provided each home with a double burner solar aided cook stove. We provided the school community with an improved energy saving stove which was entirely smoke free.